In this video I'm gonna show you how to make a techno drop like Eli Brown did in these tracks.
I just gotta check. Fuck it, I could got it back.
Including these elements. So we're gonna start off completely from scratch. Let's open up the bunker pack and pick a vocal from it.
Bring it up, next level, burn it out, no like me, but I climb. Heavy drums on a lot. 045 in the club, counting all up. Let me say 045.
Let's use this one. Bump up the BPM and fit it to the tempo. Sounding like this.
045 in the club, counting all up. Limousine fill to the brim with some.
Really dope bounce.
Sniffing cocaine, hangover next day. Fuck.
So what Eli Brown does is he uses a lot of running basses. So we're gonna make one our own by picking a bass preset from the pack. Let's see how this one sounds. I want to bump up the vocal just one semitone. I think it sounds little bit better in E. So let's make a MIDI. That typical running bass. Change the velocity a little bit. Just like this. Now we're gonna mix it. First some distortion. Sidechain, of course. EQ it. Got a bit too much high end. And add some compression. We also need to kick for more context. I think I want to switch up the bass preset. Use this one. We're gonna mix the vocal in as well. Sidechain and a low cut. Also add a reverb to it. And a delay. Just like this. A really dope foundation for the track. So this will be the foundation of the drop. Then let's work on the build up a little bit. So what Eli Brown does is he introduces a lead melody in the breakdown and then only drop it with a vocal and bass in the drop. Besides that, he uses a low cut in the breakdown. So let's add that one on the master channel. Just like this. We're also gonna add in an endless smile as well. To add some more energy to it. I think I want to shape it something like this. Then I want to add an ambience to it. I think this one could work. Yeah, that's solid. Mix it in. I think I want to switch it up a little bit, so let's use this ambience. Then it's time to add a lead melody in. We're gonna add in a new Serum with a bunker preset. Let's pick this Eli Brown type preset and follow the rhythm of the vocal. Yeah, just like this. Then go up. And switch it up an octave. Yeah, that's sick. Duplicate it. Yeah, that's it. So now we're gonna mix it. First, some EQing. We could use an OCT, I think. Bit of reverb and delay. And again, EQ it a little bit more. And of course the sidechain, because we have the kick playing. Also, and then we're also gonna add a downlifter to the breakdown. And a simple uplifter. And make sure to mix it in. So altogether, the build-up sounds like this. So now we're gonna work on the arrangement of the drop. First I want to add some air candy shots to it. So duplicate the Serum. I pick a wobble sound from the pack. Let's use this one. Copy over the mixing. But instead use a low cut to make room for the bass. Then we're gonna do the same, but with a step sound. Yeah, perfect. I think just around here. It's though, but I think I'm gonna switch it up to an acid sound, so let's pick one from the pack. Yeah, that's better. So then we're gonna add a fill to the last bar of the first part of the drop. Just like this. So we're gonna add a clap to it and play them from the left to the right. With a lot of reverb. Yeah, though. Besides that, I want to add a crash to it. Just like this. Now we're gonna just duplicate the drop. And add in some drums. Let's see how this one sounds. Yeah, that could work. At a lower volume and with a sidechain, of course. Also, bring back the ambience. And the effects. And I think I also want to add a resound to it. So again, add a new Serum. This one could work, I guess, so drop it in just like this. Just on top of the bass. Just to fit it up some more. Yeah, dope. Also make sure to bump up the volume of the vocal a little bit more. And we're gonna add in the lead fill right here. Yeah, that's perfect. Pretty dope. So I think that's it for the Eli Brown style drop. We're gonna slap on a quick master, so I will link a tutorial about a master down below as well. Besides that, if you like the video, please drop a like, leave a comment, hit that subscribe button, and see y'all in the next videos.
Champagne master the cocaine hang on the next day. Fuck, 4-5 in the club, counting all over. Resume flow to the nurse. Champagne master the cocaine hang on the next day. Fuck, 4-5 in the club, counting all over. Resume flow to the nurse. Champagne master the cocaine hang on the next day. Fuck, 4-5 in the club, counting all over. Resume flow to the nurse. Champagne master the cocaine hang on the next day. Fuck.